Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to save snaps to camera roll without them knowing on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting a precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the chat section. Now let me tell you that you can find the chat here. So guys, if you have received any of the snap and you want to save that snap in your camera roll without them knowing, just simply have to tap on that guys. Just simply have to turn off Wi-Fi or turn on aeroplane mode and just simply have to take the screenshot like this. Now the screenshot has been taken. So let me tell you that there is not other possible way to save these snaps without them knowing. Take the screenshot and just simply have to turn on this again. Now let me show you here guys. When you save this guys, the notification will be sent to the Snapchat team as well, like this. So let me show you here guys. Now I'm going in the chat so you can see here guys. Open. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.